Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss some other important topic of chapter 5. Okay, and this is part 3. Clear, everyone? So now today our topic is polygon. Clear, student? Today our topic is polygon. Okay, everyone? So now first we will discuss what is polygon. Clear, everyone? So polygon means as its name indicates poly. A poly is what? Poly is many. Clear, everyone? It means a closed figure, having finite number of straight lines. Clear, everyone? यानी a closed figure having finite number of straight lines is known as our polygon. Okay, तो देखो, if I draw this type of diagram, this is what? This is not a polygon. You can see easily because this having line segment, it is okay, but this is the open. This is open, but if I draw like that, this is what, student? You know that this is a triangle, and this is having 3 straight lines. You can say this is also a polygon having 3 sides. देखो, polygon means a closed figure having straight lines. ठीक है ना? Which you can count. देखो, finite, a word I use, finite. Finite means which we can count. Okay? तो देखो, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, all are the types of polygon. Is that clear? Why? Because we can count and they form with the help of straight line. देखो, again, जैसे if I draw this type of diagram, okay, student, this is what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and all are straight. देखो, this is the also type of straight line. Why? Because when you tilt, this will become like that. Okay? So this is also type of polygon. Clear? Only name will be changed. जैसे if I draw this diagram, so this is what? This is our pentagon. Clear? But here, if I draw like that, 1 minute. First is pentagon. If I draw like that, so देखो, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what? This is our hexagon. But this is also a polygon because having straight line and closed. If I draw like that, so this aware very well. This is what? This is a triangle. Clear, everyone? So this is our type of polygon. Polygon is what, student? Polygon is a closed figure having made up of straight line. ठीक है ना? And which you count with the straight line which you count. Clear? अच्छा. If I draw like that, so student, what you will say about that? This is our polygon or not? You will say, sir, this is not a polygon. Why? Because देखो, this is our curve. This is curve ना? मतलब this is not a straight line. So you can say this is not a polygon. Same diagram. This is what, student? This is also polygon or not? Polygon ना? No, this is not the type of polygon. Why? Because here curve is given. Curve is like that. The condition is the line should be straight. The line should be not curved. Line should be straight. Clear? Again, if I draw a diagram like that, so you can say this is polygon or not? You will say this is also not type of polygon. Why? Because straight line to given, this is okay. This is fulfill one condition. But second condition, the diagram should be closed. And this is not closed. So this is not the type of straight polygon. Clear, everyone? Chalo. Okay. So now we discuss some question based on polygon. Question number 3rd I have discussed exercise 5.8. Question number 3rd. What is given? Draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon. Chalo. First we draw regular hexagon. So regular hexagon is still what? That polygon having 6 sides. Polygon having 6 sides. This is our regular hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give name A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear, everyone? now what is given? Connecting any three of its vertices. तो देखो 6 vertices, तो connect any 3 vertices. And what is given? Draw a triangle, and also you draw a triangle by connecting 3 vertices. A vertices means the common point of two sides. B's vertices A, B, all are vertices because B is the common point of side AB and CD. If you want to take C, so C is also vertices. This is the common point of BC and CD. So similarly, all 6 are our vertices. But we have to select the 3 vertices to form the triangle. So देखो बेटा, if you will select these 3 vertices, मतलब B, A, F, R, C, D, E. Clear everyone? Clear? So here, if you connect these 3 vertices or these 3 vertices, so also they form triangle. अब देखो, which type of triangle is this one? This is the type of like that. This is the type of like that. So what is the meaning of this student? देखो, if you draw with the help of ruler, you will find out this is the type of which type of triangle student? देखो, two sides are looking equal. Here, two sides are looking equal, and this is little bit longer. Okay, so you can say this is the type of what student? If two sides are equal, so this is the type of isosceles triangle. Clear everyone? I think now this topic is clear. देखो, first we draw the hexagon and we connect 3 vertices. We can also connect these 3 vertices. Also the result will be same. Clear? And why I am connecting these 3 vertices only here or here? Because we have to form a triangle. Clear everyone? So, on your copy, write very carefully. Okay? Chalo. Now next question. Come on, next question, student. Next question is given. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. A regular octagon, octagon is what? Octagon is the diagram having 8 sides. The first octagon you have to draw, second, third, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth, fifth, seventh, and this is your 8. Okay? Now mark this. This is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Okay, student? चलो, now next is given what कि draw a rectangle. अब you know that the rectangle is like that. Rectangle is like that. So you have to draw a rectangle by connecting 4 vertices. So you have to look at the diagram. Where is the 4 vertices we have to connect to form a rectangle. So देखो, here you can see if you connect these 2 vertices and these 2 vertices. So देखो, simply this form the rectangle. So this part is formed rectangle. You can say W V R S. Any मतलब W R S anything you can give the name. Here W V R S is a what? Rectangle. Clear everyone? Okay. So देखो, first we draw the octagon, then we connect the 4 vertices because we have to form the what? We have to form rectangle. Then here you can see we form the rectangle. Clear? Sure. So now I explained everything in this chapter. Some other diagram I want to discuss. If this type of diagram is given, clear student? You know that now? This is like ice cream cone. Everyone used to eat this. So this in mathematics, this is cone. Clear? Or जैसे your geometry box. You know that your geometry box look like that. Here. Your geometry box like that, बेटा. देखो, so this is what? This is our cuboid. And if you saw a brick, your book, your textbook and copy, this is also a form of cuboid. Clear everyone? Some other also diagram is given. Of this is I discussed. This is what? This is the type of sphere, but this is not a polygon. Clear? Other diagram is given like cylinder. Cylinder at your home. This is the type of cylinder. Some other diagram is given, student. Okay? So you will see it carefully and any doubt you can ask. Clear, student? So nothing is left in this chapter. I explained everything. So now I think you are able to understand each diagram. Clear? This is our cylinder. चलो, तो at your copy use your ruler and pencil, then you have to make diagram. So polygon clear, and these some diagram also I discuss clear. So now all questions you solve yourself based on this. I explain all the concepts to student. What is cone, what is cuboid, sphere, rectangle, octagon, pentagon, clear. So now in next video we will discuss the next topic, मतलब next chapter. Thank you students.